Hey guys, I'm here. Today we're going to look at Microsoft Word 365 and its key features. What's new, how to use it, and how it's more than just a word processor. Let's get started. So let's start with cloud integration. One of the most significant upgrades to Word 365 is its cloud integration capabilities. This allows you to save your documents directly to OneDrive, a cloud storage solution provided by Microsoft. By clicking the Save button, you can choose to save your document to your local drive or to a folder in your OneDrive. And if you happen to be working on an entirely new document, you could just click the Save As option and then select OneDrive as the location where you would like to save your file. Once your document is saved to OneDrive, you can access it from any device associated with your Microsoft account, whether it's a personal computer, a tablet, or a phone. There's no need to carry around a USB drive anymore. Also, the real-time syncing feature of OneDrive ensures that your documents are always up to date. Any changes made on one device will be reflected instantly on other devices. So no more emailing documents to yourself or trying to remember which version is the latest one. It's all automatically synced and available wherever you need it. Next, let's talk about real-time collaboration. Now, this feature allows you to work with others on the same document simultaneously. Even if your collaborators are in different parts of the world, you can easily share your document for co-authoring. To do this, simply go to the Share button in Word and choose the Share for Review option. You can then enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. When your collaborators accept the invitation, they will be able to edit the document simultaneously with you. You lines be able to see their cursors on the document indicating where they are, and you lines receive notifications of their edits. You can also use the built-in chat feature to communicate with your co-authors right within the document. Additionally, Word 365 offers robust commenting capabilities. You can add comments, mention collaborators, or even use the new comment button to start a discussion thread. These comments are threaded so you can keep track of the conversation. And when your collaborators reply to your comments, you'll get notified. All these features make collaborating on documents easier than ever before, breaking down geographical barriers and allowing teams to work together seamlessly. Let's now discuss some smart tools. Word 365 comes packed with smart tools that make writing and editing easier and faster. The AI-powered editor tool checks your grammar, spelling, and clarity, making suggestions to improve your writing. You can access it through the Review tab under Editor. Then click Check to see suggestions to improve your writing. Word 365 also offers voice dictation. Just click the Dictate button and start talking. This feature is perfect for those times when you want to focus on the content rather than the form, or when you want to quickly make changes without the need for a keyboard. Finally, there's the Designer tool. If you need to create a resume, report, or newsletter, the Designer tool can help you format your document with ease. Just click Design, and then Quick Design and choose a template that fits your needs. Now let's talk customization and accessibility. Word 365 offers various settings to help you customize your experience. You can change themes, ribbons, and keyboard shortcuts to suit your workflow. Accessibility features like Read Aloud, Immersive Reader, and translation tools make documents more accessible for everyone. The Read Aloud tool reads your text aloud, making it easier to proofread or share your work with those who prefer to listen. The Immersive Reader tool simplifies your text, making it easier to read and understand. And the translation tools allow you to translate your work into different languages, breaking down language barriers and making your documents more inclusive. In conclusion, Microsoft Word 365 has evolved into a powerful tool that goes beyond traditional word processing. With its seamless cloud integration, real-time collaboration features, AI-powered editor, and accessibility tools, Word 365 caters to the diverse needs of modern users. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, Word 365 has something to offer you. We highly encourage you to start using it to its full potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative tech videos from us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.